Much love, family, and welcome back. Today I have another lock tag for you. It's going to be 10 questions. My last one was 9 questions, and these are all different from the last one. So let's go ahead and get on into it. First off, I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well here. I'm having what I love to call a slow morning. So I was able to do my eye mask, chill out for a while, set my intentions, do yoga. I've taken my supplements. Now I'm chilling outside, baking in the sun with you all. So I've got my questions right here, and these questions are inspired by Locked and Living's blog, and she has 10 of them for her lock tag. So I'm just going to go down the list, and like I said, I do believe these are different from the last lock tag I had. And as always, if you have any questions for me, leave them below and I'll try to answer best as I can, or any comments, leave those below as well. All right, let's get started. So the first one is, do you remember the specific moment you decided to lock? No, I don't remember the specific moment. Or maybe I kind of do, because as you all know, if you've been with me before, I was thinking about it for a while. My daughter had been locked for 5 years. I had been thinking about it a little bit, but there was one day where I said, all right, let's just get this thing going. And for me, it was different because I started with 2-strand twists, and I did it myself. So it wasn't like I had to really think the process through and go get an appointment or something, or make an appointment, you know what I mean? I could just hop up in that moment and go, you know what, let's do this thing. So I pretty much did. It was in February. I do not remember the exact date, but it was in February. And now it's been a year and a half. All right, so the next one is, what method, if any, did you use to start? So for me, I used the 2-strand twist. I just twisted my hair as best as I could. And I say as best as I could because, I'm having bad posture. I'm like this, trying to be close. Every time I'm outside, I'm like leaning into the camera with you guys. So let me sit up here. But 2-strand twists. I started with 2-strand twists that I did myself. How old are your locks? 18 months. I just did a recap. What do I want to say? Recap video. I can't find the word right now. But anywho, I'll link to that above. But I am on a year and a half. Can you believe that? Bless you, Supernova. That's my son right here. How many do you currently have? Is that how many you started with? I do not know. I have not counted since my last lock count, which I don't know how far along into them I was at my last lock count. I don't know how many months I was in, so I will link to that above. I think it was about like in the 170s, 180s, in there. I'm not sure the exact number, and I have not counted now, so I don't know, but it's probably the same. I don't think any of mine have married. I definitely have not combined or anything like that, so I don't know right now. What shampoo or other products do you use on your locks? Shampoo, right now I am using the Tea Tree Tingle from Trader Joe's. It was recommended to me by one of you all. Thank you again so much. I tried that and I've been loving it. It did not work for me as a loose natural, but it works for me now. For products, might get a little bit long for this video, so I'll link to the products above, but you guys know I like to keep it simple. And I will use that shampoo till it's all gone. And then I have a Giovanni that was recommended by one of you all as well. And then I'm going to try that after this one. But I don't like to have a ton of products going. So I'm going to finish that one. Then I'll try the Giovanni. What are your favorite beads or other decorations? I have some wraps that I've been wearing. I showed those in a previous video. It's like a fabric wraps, and I had been wearing those. I was really in love with them for a while. Now I'm kind of back to my regular, not regular, but I've got some dangles because I did some curls, you guys, and I thought the danglier looking ones would be cute on there. So I don't know that they're my favorites right now, but I just like to go with how I'm feeling. Uh, Let me see. I like to go with how I'm feeling and what kind of, I have curls, so I thought dangles would be good. Before, I thought wraps would be good. So I just like to change it up with how I'm feeling. And right now, I guess these are my favorite. There's one over here too. I can't really find it. So these are my favorite right now. Let's see. If your locks had their own personal motto, what would it be? That's a great question, Locked and Living. That's a really great question. I like those kind of questions. That's kind of like introspective, I guess. Makes you kind of think. So if they had their own motto, oh, it would be keep it simple. I say that about every time in my video a few times. So I guess if mine had a motto, it will be keep it simple. It will be I'm doing my own thing because I let them do that, kind of do their own thing. So keep it simple and I'm doing my own thing. I think that's their motto. Ooh, hydration break, y'all. I'm having this is LaCroix fizzy water. This is the passion fruit one. My daughter loves fizzy waters, so we always have them on hand, and I drink them every now and again. All right, so this is good. This sun is really good for my locks. I always feel like my locks flourish. My hair flourishes when I'm in the sun and getting a lot of sun. Oh, that's my whole body. I just love sitting in the sun and baking, so this is really good. Is there anything else unique about your appearance other than locks? And in parentheses it says like tattoos, piercings, etc. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm black. I'm just kidding. I do have piercings. I have about 3 or 4 in my ear, just right here. And how ironic, I'm not wearing any today. Piercing here. I have a septum piercing here. I did the septum piercing myself. I did a couple of these myself. This one I had done. I did have my tongue pierced. It still is pierced, but I have not worn that for many, many years. I have tons of tattoos. Probably can't see them out here in the sun. Oh, there you go. There's a couple there. My whole back is done. I have some here. My husband tattoos as well, so sometimes he will do practice tattoos on me and things of that nature. So I think that's tattoo piercings. If you guys are interested in more stuff like that, then I can do a tattoo piercing. I've seen where people do tours, tattoo and piercing tours. So let me know down below and I'll do something like that. All right, number 9. We're almost to the last one. Number 9 is, how many people do you know personally with locks? My daughter was one, so I'll say that's one in my family. My niece had them, not any longer. She combed hers out. I combed my daughter's out, and that's all I can really think of right now. A few people get faux locks here and there, but personally, that's it. All right, let's see. Number 10, we're on the last one here. Have any employers turned you down for having locks? Any wanted you because of your locks? Oh, that's a good one too. No, I'm self-employed, so that doesn't go for me. And I did not have them when I wasn't self-employed. So that's an NA. And has anybody wanted me because of them? I don't think so. You know, but I'm not aware. They did not make me aware and say, you know, we love your locks, come do this project with us or something like that. That has never happened, but that's very cool. That's a very unique question too. So thank you so much, Locked and Living, for those questions. Those were really fun. All right, you guys, that is it for me. I'm going to sit here, bake a little bit more, and then just enjoy my morning. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely like this video and subscribe for more videos like this if you haven't already. I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you again in another few days. All right, bye.